a project today. And today's topic is our drone labs. Our drone lab at our school is one of our favorite places to have fun. And we, as a team, want every child in Turkey to be aware of this technology. And that is why we opened several drone labs in different schools all over Turkey.
We also established a drone lab in our aviation museum here in Istanbul, which is a great accomplishment we think we're very proud of. Let's talk a little about why we do this and what's the process of doing it.
First of all, drones are great ways to learn about aerodynamics in an entertaining way.
And, well, you get to play with a fun tool, so I think it's beneficial for every student to have a little off time from lessons and play with a drone. But it also teaches you a lot about physics and the air currents and how to control an RC plane or an RC drone. So it actually leads to many doors, so it's actually a great start to learn more about aviation and physics on its own.
So basically, you both have fun and learn new things with the help of drones. So thank you for listening to us. Hope to see you in another video.
Bye.
Bye.